Like I keep saying, you never know what you're gonna find when you clean out your garage. Look at those beautiful custom gauntlets, all leather, and my special 3D printed knife. I forget the exact name of that knife. It's something Star Wars. But yeah, I had those made about $100, and I customized them with diamonds, which are actually removable gun target stickers. So yeah, I'll clean those up, refinish them with some leather juice, and wear them in my Native American Mandalorian kit. Should be awesome. See you somewhere in the galaxy later.